and today I'm with Ed Gaming on Roblox Studio. And today, guys, we are going to show you how to make a rainbow name tag. So let's get started. So first, what you need is an actual name tag. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste whatever I have. So it's going to be, I'll put this in the description so you can see it's right here, unknown name, unknown rank. But we're gonna replace the unknown name with your Roblox name, and the unknown rank with your rank in whatever group you're in. So, for the group, you gotta go to the group ID. So here's my group. It's called Super Burger. Please consider joining it. And so what you gotta do is, this script is going to say that if you are in the group, it will show you your group rank in here and your name, which is really cool. And another thing is, when you this is also the script for the rainbow name tag. So it's supposed to be a game pass. So if you own this game pass, the rainbow name game pass, or if you're above the rank 180 in Super Burger, then you will get the rainbow name tag. So yeah, let's go play it. Let's press play. So as you see here, I get the rainbow name tag, and I also get the owner tag because I am the owner of Super Burger. So I really hope you guys liked this video. Please consider subscribing to me and joining the group Super Burger. And I will also post the script and this the overhead rank script in the description, so you guys can go check it out yourself. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.